Hello everyone, welcome back to the online session. In previous lecture, we have completed exercise number 2.1, then 2.3, and now we are starting exercise number 2.5. The reason behind this, because we are doing first solving the equation, that exercise, then after that we will start the word problem. Okay, so today we are starting exercise number 2.5. Exercise 2.5. See, the first sum from exercise 2.5 is x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to, in LHS x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5, in RHS x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. This is the first sum from exercise 2.5. In LHS x upon 2, that I will write as it is in answer, minus 1 upon 5 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. If you observe, in LHS x term is there, means variable is there, and in RHS also x term is there, means variable is there. So what we'll do, first we'll collect the like terms in LHS, and those who don't have the variable, that will shift into the RHS. So therefore x upon 2 as it is in LHS. Now in RHS x upon 3 is positive, so from RHS to LHS it will be negative. So this is x upon 3 is equal to this 1 upon 4 as it is, which was in RHS, it is as it is there. Now from LHS minus 1 upon 5 will shift to the RHS, so minus will be plus 1 upon 5. It will be plus 1 upon 5. Okay. Now first we'll solve the LHS here, RHS this side. So how to do this? We'll do 3 into x, that is 3x minus 2 into x, 2x upon 2 3s are 6 is equal to, here also same thing, 5 into 1, 5 plus 4 into 1, 4 upon 4 5s are 20. Okay, I hope you clear with this. So what we use here, a upon b plus c upon d is equal to a into d plus b into c upon b into d. If it is minus here, minus sign will be here. So this is the formula, so you can keep in your mind, or when we have this, so we can multiply like this and we can calculate this. Okay, now 3x minus 2x in numerator. So 3x minus 2x is like terms, so it will come 1x, but we are writing only x. X means it is a 1x upon 6 as it is equal to 5 plus 4. It is 9 upon 20. Okay, now next is, we have to do here cross multiplication. 20 into x, it is 20x is equal to, and 6 into 9, it is 54. So next step is 20x, I will write here as it is, this is 20x is equal to 54. Now we have to find out the value of x. So x is as it is here, 54 upon 20 is multiply here, so it will be divide on this side. On this step, can we reduce this? Yes, we can reduce. So this is 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, and 2 10s are 20. So therefore the value of x is what? 27 upon 10. I hope you understood the first sum. If you observe in exercise number 1, it was very simple equation was there. They can ask for the 1 mark. In exercise 2.3, little bit level was high. So they can ask for 2 to 3 marks, and this exercise is most important. From this exercise the question can come from 3 and 4 mark also. So you need to take care of the sign when you are multiplying, shifting the sum, all that things you need to take care. Okay, so this is the first sum from exercise 2.5. Now we will do the next sum. Question number 4 of exercise 2.5. The fourth question is x upon 5 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. What is the question? X minus 5 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. In solution we will write first as it is. The equation is x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. Now what we have to do here? Cross multiplication. So 5 will multiply to this and 3 will multiply to this term. But we need to take care, when you are multiplying 5, you will multiply to whole term, and 3 when you are multiplying, then you have to multiply to the whole term. So therefore the next step is 5 into in bracket x minus 5 is equal to this into this I wrote here in LHS. Now in RHS 3 into x minus 3. Okay, now this outside number will multiply to the bracket. So 5 into x and then 5 into 5. So first 5 into x is 5x minus 5 5s are 25. Take care the sign here. Then is equal to 3 into x is 3x and 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Okay, next step. Now what is the next step? We have to collect the like terms together. 5x, 3x is here. So therefore 5x as it is a positive in RHS, it will be negative in LHS. So minus 3x is equal to 25 is negative here, it will be positive this side. LHS to RHS, we are collecting the constant term. Minus 9 plus 25. Now 5x minus 3x how much? 2x. So therefore 2x is equal to, now 25 minus 9. Bigger is 25. From 25 9 will subtract, it will come 16. So therefore last term is, I will write here again, 2x is equal to 16. Therefore x is equal to what? 16 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 8s are. So x is equal to 8 is the answer of question number 4. What was there? Cross multiplication. Now next question is question number 6. The equation is m minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. Okay, this is our question number 6. What is there? m minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. If you observe here, this minus is for whole term. This minus is not for only n. Remember this thing, because this type of sum, the important thing is when the minus term is coming. Here also in RHS minus and m is there, so this minus is for whole term. Okay, now what we will do in this sum, we will first solve LHS, we will solve LHS separate, RHS separate, and then we will do the cross multiplication. Okay, so therefore now this m don't have any denominator, so we can take 1 as a denominator. Now what is the LCM here? 2. So we need to make both the denominators same, means 2 we need to make. So here 1 is there, we need to multiply 2 to numerator and 2 to the denominator. So 2 into m upon 1 into 2. Okay, or you can write 2 into 1, whatever it is, minus. Now here already 2 is there, so m minus 1 upon 2 as it is. Here again 1, we will take a denominator as a 1. Now we need to make the denominator same, so 3 will make. So 1 into and this 1 into 3. When we are multiplying a number to denominator, same we have to multiply to numerator also. Now here this m minus 2 upon 3 as it is. Okay, now 2 into m is 2m upon 2 minus m minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 3 minus m minus 2 upon 3. So what we did, LCM of this, or we make the denominator same 2 and here the denominator 3. Okay, now denominator is same, so I can write 2 as it is here. Okay, so this is 2m as it is. Now here it's very important, minus, put a bracket here, minus in bracket m minus 1, because this minus is for whole term, not for only m. So this minus will multiply both the number, is equal to, here the denominator is 3. Now 3 minus, again here bracket, m minus 2. So therefore this minus is for whole term. Minus will multiply to the both. There is a chances of mistake. If you are taking only minus for this number and then solving, your after this entire thing will be wrong. So take care this thing, minus and put the bracket. Okay, now next 2m, therefore 2m minus, m will multiply this, I will write little bit this side, 2m minus into m, minus m, minus into minus 1 plus 1 upon 2, okay, is equal to, right, proper, is equal to 3 as it is, minus into m, minus into minus 2 plus 2 upon 3. Now here 2m minus m is m plus 1 as it is upon 2 is equal to only minus m, so 3 and 2 we can add, so 5 minus 3 upon 3. Okay, next, now we have to do here cross multiplication. Before that we can solve this. One m is left here, this is 3 plus 2, 5 and minus m. Okay, now cross multiplication, 3 will multiply to this, so 3 in bracket m plus 1 is equal to 2 into in bracket 5 minus m. This into this I wrote here, this into this I wrote here. So 3 into m is 3m, 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to 2 into 5, 10 minus 2 into minus 2, 2m. 2 into minus m is minus 2m. Now m is here, we'll collect the like term. Therefore 3m plus 2m is equal to 10. This is a plus, it will be minus on this side. So 10 minus 3, 3m plus 2m is 5m is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7. So therefore m is equal to 7 upon this 5 is multiplier. It will be divide on this side. So what is the answer? The answer is m is equal to 7 upon 5. Okay, from exercise 2.3, question number 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so you will solve. Thank you.